I just want to offer a disclaimer to everyone, and that is that all trading involves risk, and only risk capital that you're prepared to lose. This is not investment advice. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. The first area of compensation is going to be a passive strategy, and that is we are going to pay out a 1% daily trading bonus for a period of 150 days. So for the first 100 days, that would be days 1 through 100, our members will receive essentially 100% return of their initial Bitcoin investment. And then from days 101 to 150, CoinXL will continue paying an additional 1% per day, which will equal a 50% bonus in Bitcoin payable to each member's account. For an example, if a member selects our XL1 plan, that's 1 Bitcoin. At the end of 150 days, the member will have received a total of 1.5 Bitcoin, or a net profit of 50%. And we pay all bonuses in Bitcoin. So it's Bitcoin into our system and Bitcoin out. We do not accept fiat currency or credit cards. And then our members can elect to withdraw any accumulated Bitcoin, either from the daily trading or from the binary bonus with no minimum. There's no automatic deposits. Our members can log in anytime, night or day, and manually withdraw any accumulated Bitcoin, even if it's only $5 worth of Bitcoin, back into their wallet. We feel that giving the members the right to be able to access their account rather than the company dictating when those deposits would be made is much better for the client. So you can actually tell your members that within 24 hours that they can actually, any accumulated Bitcoin that they have, they can withdraw it directly into their blockchain wallet. The cutoff for daily business will be 12 midnight, and that's London time. There's no server downtime. What that means is our website, CoinXL.com, will operate continuously 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We have other servers that calculate all the daily trading bonus and the binary bonus that runs in the back end, and that's calculated every midnight London time. Now there's 3 different ways that you can earn with CoinXL. The first is passively, and that's 1% per day for a period of 150 days. Or you can take advantage of our referral bonus, and we set up a binary system for that, where you can earn 5 to 20% per day. That's paid on the lesser volume in your team. We feel that it's better through word of mouth to advertise CoinXL and reward our members for their recommendation. Or the third way is that you can combine both the passive 1% per day plus the binary bonus, and you can earn much, much faster. The third way has nothing to do with CoinXL, and that is simply the appreciation of Bitcoin that is in your portfolio. For example, here on April 12th of this year, 1 Bitcoin costs $1,224, yet that same Bitcoin just 2 months later increased in value almost $1,800. That's the appreciation value of the Bitcoin that you have in your wallet. That is the entire purpose behind why we decided to start CoinXL. Our binary referral systems, there's many different marketing systems that you can pick and choose from, and the reason that we went with the binary is because it's very simple and it can pay out the most because it's not dependent on levels or generations. You build 2 teams. You have a team on your left and you have a team on your right, and all you have to do to qualify on our plans LL05 through XL4 is just to enroll 1 person on your left team and 1 person on your right team, and that's it. And you can earn up to from 5 to 20% on the Bitcoin volume that takes place in your organization. And that is on your lesser team. So think of it this way. Anytime a new member joins your team anywhere in your organization and they buy a plan, or they upgrade their plan, or they renew their plan, you're going to earn binary bonuses from 5 to 20% on all those Bitcoin transactions, infinite levels on your lesser team. And this can be very, very lucrative. So here would be our basic plans. And the basic plans, in fact, all plans include an admin fee of 1.75%. That is included with each and every plan. So when you initially pick your plan, you upgrade your plan, you renew it, the admin fee will be included, and that is to help pay for the business-related expenses in CoinXL in order to service our members, both on the computer side, the technical side, and the support side. So you can see our first plan is LL05, and that's 0.05 Bitcoin. It is the only plan that is not eligible for the 1% daily trader bonus, but a person can get started for less than $100 in Bitcoin and have the opportunity for referrals in order to build a sizable income. 5% binary bonus. It is limited to 0.05 Bitcoin per day or 1.5 Bitcoin per month is the monthly maximum. And even at today's rate on the Bitcoin, that's still well over $3,000 in income on a very part-time basis at LL05. But they can upgrade. They'll have an option to upgrade. They only pay the difference in the price there on L1. That's 0.1 Bitcoin. And this is the position that actually begins to accumulate the daily trading bonus. So if you were to pick this plan at the end of the 150 days, and assuming that you're passive, then that 0.1 Bitcoin, you would actually have received a total 0.15 Bitcoin. We've increased the binary bonus to 6%. You can see the daily maximum has increased to 0.15, and the monthly maximum is significant. It's 4.5 Bitcoin per month. And to get an idea of how much that would equate into dollars and cents, just take 4.5 Bitcoin and put that into any Bitcoin converter, and you'll see the equivalent in either dollars or pounds or euros, whatever your currency might be. Let's skip up to the sweet spot in our basic plan, which is L5, and that's a half a Bitcoin. And you can either upgrade from LL05, L1, or L3, or you can begin with this plan. But more importantly, if you're passive, at the end of 150 days, that half a Bitcoin will have increased in value to 0.75 Bitcoin. We've increased the binary bonus to 9% and also increased the daily maximum that you can earn in the plan, and that would be on the referral side or our binary, up to 22.5 Bitcoin per month. These four plans represent the basic plans that we have behind CoinXL. And then we have our premium plans, and that would be XL1, that's 1 Bitcoin at the end of 150 days based on the 1% daily trading bonus. Anybody who starts at that plan would actually have 1.5 Bitcoin in accumulated income or revenue. 11% on the binary, 1.5 Bitcoin per day is the daily max, and that's what we pay out on the referral side, up to 45 Bitcoin per month. Then we have XL2. You can upgrade from XL1 to XL2 and just pay the difference. That's 2 Bitcoin. At the end of the contract term of 150 days, that would increase to a total of 3 Bitcoin. 13% on the binary bonus, 90 Bitcoin is the monthly maximum. Then we have XL4, and that's 4 Bitcoin. That would increase to a total of 6 Bitcoin at the end of the 150-day contract term. 15% binary bonus, 6 Bitcoin per day is the daily max, and 180 Bitcoin per month. And you can either upgrade or start with this plan, and you get all the benefits that's included that you see in front of you. And then we have XL5. Now this is a plan that is pending. It will not be available immediately, but very, very soon after we officially launch the company. And XL5 is 5 Bitcoin, and that will increase to a total of 7.5 at the end of the contract term. 20% binary bonus, and we have an asterisk by that because there is a qualification. This is the only plan that actually has a qualification. The other plans you can either upgrade or start at those particular plans, but at XL5 we have a qualification. 7.5 Bitcoin is the daily max on the compensation plan, and 220 Bitcoin per month. Now, in order to qualify to get the 20%, this is going to be for somebody that has to be a builder. You can't just start at XL5 and start to earn 20%. And that is, you have to enroll 2 who get 2. And they all have to be at the XL5 plan. So step 1 is that you yourself need to either upgrade or begin with an XL5 plan. And then step number 2 is that you enroll 1 member left and 1 member right. And they can be anywhere in your organization, but they have to be linked to you. And each of these 2 members have to either upgrade or they can begin at the XL5 plan for themselves. And this is not from spillover. Spillover does not count, okay? And then the last part of the qualification is to go to work and help your team to become builders. And here you can see Gina, you're going to help her get her first 2 people in, and then you're going to help Jim do the same. When you've completed this structure, 2 that you've personally enrolled, and each of those 2 get 2, enroll 2 each in this structure, then you are permanently qualified now to receive the 20% bonus in the binary, and that is paid on your lesser team. Ladies and gentlemen, this is only a one-time qualification. Once you hit that, then it becomes permanent. The income objectives are very simple behind CoinXL. First of all, on the trading income, that is the revenue stream to the company. There will be additional revenue streams, like we're entering contracts right now with Bitcoin mining operations, and also with Bitcoin arbitrage, where we can actually have our bot detect differences on the exchanges, because not all exchanges are selling Bitcoin for the same price, and there's immediate profits that can be made if you can buy low in one exchange and sell higher. But our objective is to average gains of 3% per day, because that will ensure the trader bonus and binary bonuses are paid, and any additional gains above 3% are going to go into a special reserve account. Because not every day we're going to hit 3. Some days we're going to get higher than that, but in some cases we might get lower than that. So we didn't want to have a day go by that would be 0. We always wanted to be able to pay out the minimum of the 1%. And so the reserve account will enable us to do that. The other income is going to be when we release our own coin, CoinXL. It'll be a registered coin, and we'll do that through what's called an initial coin offering, or an ICO. Very similar to when companies go public on the New York Exchange or in Wall Street. What's called an IPO, an initial public offering. Instead of issuing shares of stock, we issue coin. Okay, so here would be the 5 member benefits of joining CoinXL. 1, passive results, 1% a day for a period of 150 days. A binary bonus, which is also paid daily, of 5 to 20%. The maximum per account is 7.5 Bitcoin per day. And then we have the Bitcoin appreciation value, which actually has nothing to do at all with CoinXL, but should have all the reasons why you want to join CoinXL, because through our platform, through our community, we're able to pool our Bitcoin and then offer more Bitcoin for our traders to take advantage of in the market, and thus be able to generate more profits to you. And then, of course, through our registered coin. This is huge, because what we bring to the table, what other cryptocurrencies don't have, is a community. You can look at the coins at the top of this page, whether it be Ethereum or Bitcoin, just to name a few. But what they don't have is a voice. And through our community, which could be tens of thousands of members that are talking about our coin and social media and what have you, we feel can definitely have an impact in the direction of the price, that it can go up in value. And once that coin is registered on the market, it's available to anybody worldwide, regardless of the index that they're trading. And so imagine if you're able to take some of the profits that you've been able to get from CoinXL. Maybe it'll be 1 Bitcoin, or it could be more than that, that you're buying our own coin, which gives you stock basically in the company, except in coin. What if you're able to buy that for just a few cents on the dollar starting out? And through the community, it picks up momentum, and the next thing it's over $1 and $5 and $10. That can happen. And then those of you that were able to come in early and buy it, like Bitcoin was when it started out, less than 10 cents, look where it is now. We feel that fortunes could be made on that, and definitely appreciated value for your portfolio. And then, of course, we want to teach you how to trade if you have an interest. There's going to be no charge for this, but we want to show you how to take advantage of the alternative coins that are in the marketplace and follow the bot trading advice. And once a month, we'll walk you through how to set up an account with Bittrex and how you can start small and get a couple of coins in your portfolio, like I did here. I set up my account with Bittrex, and I bought into a few coins. And I'm not a day trader. I don't have any experience in this, but look at the profit there that I had. 32.24% overall, and I started with less than 3 Bitcoin. On today, when I made this video, you can see that my portfolio went up 24.47%. So I'm living proof that that this can work, and that we can get at least 2 to 3% daily gains. So I just want to say thank you for joining us today. But myself and my partners, Simon King and Sarah Schmus, we're real people here. You can reach out and talk to us and communicate with us. We have real trading in our platform, and that's just not empty words. You'll be able to log into your back office as a member and see those results on a weekly basis. We're going to offer real support from day one through an e-ticketing system, and very soon we'll have live chat available in multiple languages. And we have what we feel is one of the best opportunities in our